Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the latest tips, tricks, and tech to keep you ahead of the game. If you love seeing your moments on Snapchat but struggling with those pixelated, low quality uploads, stick around. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat every single time. First things first, let's make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. Head over to your App Store or Play Store and check for any updates. Keeping your app updated is crucial for getting all the latest features and improvements, including image quality. Great, now that your app is updated, let's jump into the settings. Open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then hit the settings gear in the top right. Scroll down to Data Saver. And make sure it's turned off. Data Saver can reduce the quality of your snaps to save on your data usage, so you want this off for high quality uploads. While still in settings, scroll to camera settings. And tap on it. Ensure that video quality is set to auto or high. This will ensure you're getting the best quality of your phone's camera. Now let's talk about some non-technical tips. Good lighting is key to high quality snaps. Always try to take photos and videos where there's plenty of light. Natural light works best, but if you're indoors, well, lit rooms without harsh shadows can make a huge difference. Whenever possible, avoid using zoom. Zooming can drastically reduce the quality of your image. If you need to get closer to your subject, try moving physically closer instead of using digital zoom. And those are my top 4 uploading high quality snaps on Snapchat. Remember, it's not just about the app settings, but also how you use the camera and lighting to your advantage. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.